Welcome to our captivating YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest trends and inspiration in the world of fashion and beauty. Get ready to be enthralled as we dive into the realm of hairstyles, haircuts, and hair tutorials that will elevate your look to new heights. Stay ahead of the fashion curve with our curated collection of trending hairstyles and discover the secrets to achieving the perfect hair color that will make heads turn wherever you go. And it doesn't stop there. We'll guide you through the mesmerizing world of Ankara styles and lace designs, helping you unlock your inner fashionista and embrace the elegance of cultural fashion. Gentlemen, we've got you covered too. Explore our expertly curated selection of men's clothing styles, ensuring you step out in confidence, leaving a lasting impression wherever you venture. Prepare to be enchanted by the exquisite Asoebi styles, unraveling the beauty of traditional attire, celebrating cultural heritage with a touch of modern flair. Lastly, join us on a journey through the magical realm of wedding dresses, where dreams come true. Discover the finest traditional wedding dresses and let us inspire you to find the gown that reflects your unique style on your special day. Subscribe now and embark on an extraordinary fashion and beauty adventure. Stay tuned for captivating content that will ignite your creativity and transform your personal style. Welcome to a world of limitless possibilities. Subscribe now and let the magic unfold.